Hi, Best Buds. It's Cathy with Cathy's Garden. I'm so happy that you've joined me today. Today, I'm going to let you see what's inside of the holiday bundles. They are all ready. But first, let's have our shout out to Sonia, Denise, Esty Marie Arts, Sherry, Nancy, Shirley, Marilyn, Rebel in Romance, Carolyn, and Denise. I appreciate each and every one of you. All right, you guys, they come all packaged up like this. And there are 12 pieces of completed ephemera. I do believe we've made most of these together. And there are 12 different pieces. Now, each package has the same style, but maybe it's a different picture or maybe it's a different color of paper. So the style is the same, but maybe how it's decorated is possibly different. They're not all exactly the same. So let's go ahead and let's open it up and let's see what's inside. So you will receive some of this beautiful sparkling, I would call it maybe emerald green ribbon. Oh my goodness, I think it's beautiful. You'll have quite a bit of that, like about a yard of this. And then you will also have the cutest little red rose paper flower. I call it a rose. So you have one of those. And then let's get right into the ephemera. Now we made these together, and it's a little mini file folder. And inside we have some lovely paper that crinkles, and it sounds so good. Looks like that. Now I think I'll put it over here. Then we made this one together as well. It's got the jewels right here by the lace. And we open it up and it's got a pocket on this side and it has a pocket on this side, and it is filled with a piece of ephemera. And then we have some writing paper right inside. Next, I have a window pocket with a tag. So this one has this lovely lady inside. This is the back that you can journal on. And you could put a little flap on here, a tab that you can turn it like this on your page. You could glue it on your page on 3 sides and have another tuck. You could slip it in a belly band or a pocket. Or maybe you want to send it out in Happy Mail or put it on a card, a package, and use it as your card for the package. That would be nice too. Here's our little swing book right here. I loved making these swing books. I think they are so much fun, and has lots of different papers in there that you can journal on. And we made these together as well. So if you've missed how we made all these, you just go to my playlist. There is a Christmas playlist, and you can just pull that out and look at it and see which one you would like to see how we made it, to see if you would like to make some for yourself. So this is a little button Christmas tree. Now, for instance, this Christmas tree has different colored buttons, but maybe if you order one, maybe yours will be all white, or maybe it'll be white and pink, or white and blue, or it will be the same type of card, the same style, but you possibly could have different colored buttons. Then we have this one right here with the embroidery floss and a little bead and some lace, and we open it up and we have some music paper, some wonderful crunchy paper, all kinds of things in here. We have this one. And then we have this one. And this envelope, if you choose to fold it, you could fold it here if you wanted to. I made it to stay open, but you can go ahead and close it if you'd like. There is a little journaling card inside and a little silk flower right there with a jewel in the center. So it looks like that. Now there's this one, and this one has a little extra bonus. It has an altered paper clip with a tassel on it. This one has a charm. It's a mitten, a bell, and the ribbon as a tassel. And you can open this up right here, and there's a journaling spot. And then there's also a journaling tag inside this pocket. So that one's an added bonus. So actually it's a baker's dozen if you count this altered paper clip as an extra piece of ephemera. Here's a guest check. We made these together. I loved making these as well. Oh my goodness, that was so much fun. It looks just like that. Now, here is the 3-pocket piece of ephemera, and all the pockets are filled with a piece of ephemera. And look how that sparkles. Oh my goodness, I think that's so pretty. I love that. Now once again, you could put a little flip on it. You could glue it on a page, 3 different sides, and have another tuck. You could put it in a pocket. It's all up to you. We have this one right here. Isn't that one pretty as well? It just sparkles so. Even the trim on top sparkles. Now there isn't anything inside of these. This one's, you can add something yourself you want, a little special note, or when you put it into your journal, if that's what you choose, you can let the recipient put something in there if you would like. So last but not least, we have our shaker card. I love making shaker cards too. And I love adding this bell. It really just adds to the, I don't know, it just adds something. That's something. So we have the shaker card. We have this little gem right here. We have the 3 slant tuck. We have our guest check. We have our, I think I called this a postcard flip. I think that's what we called that. We have the envelope, the open envelope. We have this little book right here, flip book right there. We have the button tag. We have the swing pad here. We have the window pocket with the tag. We have another little booklet with 2 pockets on either side, and the ephemera with some wonderful paper. I love this paper. And we have the mini file folder. You guys, these are all over in my Etsy shop. The link is down below if you're interested. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I invite you to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. I'll see you there, guys. Bye now.